Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, May 16th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. So what do we see here is a daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin. Just the Japanese candlesticks, no indicators just yet. And what grabbed my attention is this Marubozu candle, daily Marubozu candle. Which is, as you can see, pretty impressive, and it breaks above the highs of 60,700 with the actual high located at 60,985. What does it actually mean? Let me just add some lines here to our chart so you can see straight on what's going on. From this high through this lower high, sorry, let me just grab the magnet, there you go. So from this high to this lower high, you can see clearly that we are still below the trend line. But if we get this high and the second one, for example this one or this one, you can clearly see that we broke above this trend line here. Then we tested it, and finally we broken above this trend line. So let me mark this recent level. I will mark it still as a technical resistance because we might still reverse lower. So let me just mark it in red. Okay, so we got this technical resistance here. The next target for bulls, if we just bounce from this level here, 60,700, is 63,180. But what grabbed my attention is that this movement to the upside is actually in three waves. So it's a Elliott correction wave, right? So from the bottom, and this is very important bottom, to the first swing high, we got the wave A. Then we possibly have the wave B, and now we are finishing with the wave C, and wave C is either completely done, terminated, or it's about to be terminated, right? So technical support, bottom of the wave A, the beginning of the wave A, important technical support. Let's mark it green, 53,097 euro. So what is the general conclusion here? The general conclusion is that ABC movement to the upside cannot be seen as the beginning of the new trend or the continuation of the previous strong trend. And if we just zoom out, we can see that previous strength is obviously to the upside, right? So what we need to do instead of this ABC pattern, what the market needs to do instead of this ABC pattern is to do the impulsive wave, 5-wave impulsive structure. So even if we switch wave A with wave 1, then correction wave 2, not a problem. Now we should see way bigger wave 3, then wave 4, and then wave 5. And this cycle will be seen as the beginning of the new uptrend, right? I mean, as the new impulsive cycle and the continuation of the old long-term uptrend. There you go. This is what I wanted to say. So ABC to the upside doesn't actually mean anything. It's just another part of the correction. Simple correction, ABC might transform, might evolve into more complex and time-consuming correction, WXY, for example. But this structure here is typically impulsive, and it might be the beginning of something new. Now, one thing we would like to add to this situation is RSI, and if we add RSI, we can clearly see that there is still room to the upside. All right, on the daily time frame chart, we just barely moved above the level of 50. Let me just mark the level of 50 on this chart. Yes, horizontal line, please. Thank you. And this is the line. We just broke above this line, and the market is ready to continue the up move. There is room to the upside. Momentum is positive, momentum is quite strong. There's room to the upside here. We just need to break above this technical resistances in order to continue the higher time frame uptrend. So the outlook is positive. for the Bitcoin on euro, unless this is only ABC to the upside. So if we will have the sharp reversal, that's it, we are done, and most likely lower levels are coming. Otherwise, this is the preferred scenario right now for the Bitcoin to euro on daily time frame chart on Zondacrypto. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I think I will see you again soon. So take care for now, and bye bye.